has here at Shield Canine. I'm with my buddy Nero. He's an 11-month-old Doberman. He doesn't really have the concept of off-leash recalls. So today we're going to be doing low stim e-collar training and introducing him to the concept of coming when called when he's completely off-leash. Okay, Nero, go play. Nero, come. Yes. Good boy, attaboy. I've worked Nero about twice already on the e-collar, and I used it with a long line and also with a leash. Again, I'm using quite low levels, and I'm just teaching him to respond appropriately to it. As you can see, he's a happy-go-lucky guy. He's going to need to learn a little bit in the way of manners, and we will teach him that in time. You'll also notice that I feed him when he comes back to me, just to really promote the recall, to make it nice and fast, and to also make it fun for him. There's this misconception out there that if you use a remote collar, a prong collar, a choke chain, whatever tool it is, that you are only training on one side of the spectrum. The best training comes from both sides of the spectrum. Yes, it's fun and it's good to do things that you're asked to do, whether it's a recall, come, sit, down, heel, but there's also the other side. There's a consequence for failing to do it, and that's how we create reliability in our dogs, and that's how we make our training super clear to the dogs. So I'll do another recall here after he's done going to the bathroom. Here, up, come. Yeah. Okay, good boy. Here, come. The reliability of the recall is already there, and that's just with a couple days into the training. So I'm going to be posting Nero's progress as we move along. He's going to be learning complete off-leash obedience. We're going to be taking him out into the city, around distractions, cars, other dogs, people, and he's going to be completely off-leash, doing all the things that we ask him to do in a relatively short period of time. And there's nothing unusual about that. It's just what we do here at Shield Canine.